I feel like because I'm black, you know, the melanin just protects me. But no, I still need sunscreen. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Atia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like. And I am back with another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I got my hair to look like this cute little summer bob. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with it. Super in love with it. I was kind of nervous on getting a bob, but now that I have it, I'm bob like forever. But yes, I'm going to show you guys how I got my bob, and I'm going to show you guys this makeup look. So if you guys want to see like this full look hair and makeup, then stay tuned to this video. Keep on watching, sis. This hair is from Longqi, I think it's Longqi hair. They're AliExpress company, and they sent me 14 inches. They sent me 3 bundles of their 14-inch Malaysian body wave hair, and they sent me a 14-inch closure. So first of all, let me tell you about this closure, okay? So the closure comes from here to like here. That's a huge closure. Usually closures be like right here. That's it. But this closure is like huge. I got my hairstylist to install it for me. So what she did was she created the wig for me. She always creates all my wigs. Like any wig you see, she creates it. I cannot create wigs. I tried and I failed. If you guys saw that video, like I failed miserably. So I will just never try to do it again for right now. But yeah, so she creates all my wigs. So with this wig, she created it and then she cut it for me. So I gave her a picture and she made it work. Like she made it work for my head shape. It makes my head look so much smaller, and I'm just here for it. I'm loving it. So she plucked the closure, the hairline, the part, all that stuff. She plucked it, but you can part it either way. Like you could part it here, you can part it anywhere. It looks so good. The hair is super soft. The lace, let me tell y'all about this lace. So before I put any like foundation and powder on it, it blended in so good with my skin. I'm gonna try to insert like a video of me outside, and like you can see the lace. It just looks so good. Like it looked transparent. I was like, woo! I never seen something like that. And I just love running my fingers through this hair. Like it feels so good. And the way she constructed the wig, it made it like real tight on my head. Not real tight where it's like making me have a headache, but tight enough to where you can't like pull it off. Like you can't just easily go boop. You know what I'm saying? I love the way like if I lean this way, it's shorter. Well, either way, when I look straight forward, this side is longer than this side. And I love that asymmetrical look. The hair's natural body wave is really nice. It has like a perfect little wave. Honestly, I wanted to tell her she could leave it like that, like with the body wave just doing its own thing and in its natural state, because it looked really cute like that. But I let her straighten it, and when she was straightening it, I noticed that she didn't really have to go over it a million times to get it bone straight. Alright, so this morning when I woke up, all I had to do, since this is a closure, which is why I love closures. Closures are the easiest thing to have when you're on the go. Like a closure wig, girl, your life will just be a breeze. Especially getting ready, girl, pop that joint on and go. So all I do is put some Pump It Up spray on the edges around the lace, and then I put it on right here. And I already did this, which is why I'm not doing it again. So then to get like this cute little oomph right in the front, I just sprayed some of this hairspray. This is the Sebastian Shaper Zero Gravity, and let me just show you. I sprayed some of it, and then I kind of like run my fingers through it. You can go like this, and then you can go like this. I kind of hold it there. So then I put this Colourpop Sheer Press No Filter powder in medium dark. I put this on the frontal right here. Let me show y'all. I use like a little brush like this, pick some up, And then I just, you know, dabbed it on the closure with the lace. So yeah, I'll leave Longqi hair's information in the description box below so you guys can check them out. Malaysian body wave. I definitely love this Malaysian body wave hair. And the shedding. What shedding? Where? No shedding, sis. So me personally, y'all know I'm a little extra when it comes to primer. So I'm about to use 3 primers today. And the reason being is because Mercier sent me this foundation primer and it has SPF in it. What? A primer that has SPF in it? Girl, that is so for me. Because I never put, you know, sunscreen on. And I think that's because I feel like because I'm black, you know, the melanin just protects me. But no, I still need sunscreen. Y'all see how it's not creating a white cast? So if you want to just use this because you're going out and you're about to be in the sun, you could just use this. All right, so I've never used this Honey Do Me Up by NYX, but we're gonna try it today. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on me. I'm just trying to put it in the areas where I want to glow. And then I'm going to take one of my favorite illuminating primers, which is the Covergirl Trublend Base Business. And I put this on my chin, on my nose, my forehead, and then on my cheeks as well. She's looking dewy. Look at that. For my foundation, I'm going to take the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation by NARS. This is in Tahoe. And I'm just going to put like a couple of pumps all over my face. She's a very full coverage foundation. You don't need too much of her. I even dream of you, I swear. For my concealer, I'm going to take the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I actually love this concealer, and the way it works with its powder, the No Filter powder, girl, the banana joy. I think I may have found my favorite powder for the summertime. Here it is, Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder. When I say I love this setting powder, like, oh, I just spilled some. Gotta feel me. Alright, so now I'm going to take the Dare to Create 39A palette, and I'm going to use this color right here to contour my face. So I'm going to move on to my brows, and you guys know I love taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow. This is in dark brown. If you don't know that by now, then you must be new. And hello. But yeah, so I'm gonna take this and just carve out my brows because y'all see my brows and skin. Y'all see it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take these 2 colors right here. Wait, no, these two. These 2 right here. And I'm gonna use that as my transition color. But I'm going to take that same color I used for my contour, and I'm going to put this all over my lid. So I'm going to darken it up a little bit, and I'm going to take this shade right here. These 2 look really similar, but I'm going to take this one. I mean, I'm going to take both of them. And I'm going to put this all on my lid and then like transition it up. I'm gonna take some more of that little orange color and just transition it. I'm taking some of my concealer, the Colourpop concealer, putting this on the center of my lid. All that, when I look straight forward, you can't even see it. So then I'm gonna take this shade right here and I'm gonna put this on the concealer. So now I'm just taking that setting powder and putting it over top because I wanted it to be a little bit lighter. So now I'm taking that brown and just kind of making it blend a little bit better. So I'm taking those transition colors and I'm just gonna put that under my eye. Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean that. Then I'm gonna take that brown and I'm gonna put this as close to my waterline as possible. So now I'm gonna create a wing. No, I'm not gonna create a wing. I'm gonna go ahead and add my lashes. These are in the style Sasha. And I absolutely love these lashes. They're so pretty. Like, they literally are wispy. I don't have a launch date yet, but I will have a launch date soon. That's all I have to say. It's gonna be soon. It's gonna be soon. So I added some mascara and what's it called? Mascara? An eyeliner to my bottom lash line. Today I'm gonna take an oldie but goodie. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit and this is in That Glow. If you're an OG subscriber, you know this really used to be my thing. Like, this was it, okay? So I'm taking Dripping in Gold and Golden Bronze and I'm just gonna highlight, and this is really where that glow is gonna come in. Then I take my little contour brush and just, you know, kind of blend it out a little bit. Then what I did the other day was I sprayed my brush with this MAC Fix Plus spray. It's not really anything on it, like highlight, that I added, but I just went over top of it. For my lips, we're gonna take the MAC Cosmetics. This is the lip liner in Cork. This is Cork. Yeah, this is Cork. And I'm gonna line my lips really quickly with this. And then I'm gonna take the Glow Gloss by BECCA. This is in Opal. This stuff really glows, okay? So to set my face, I'm gonna take the Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Spray and really drench my face in this. Alright, and lastly, I'm gonna add my beauty marks.
If I said I didn't want it, I could tell by your eyes that you focus. Yeah, come and hop on this pony.
Alright, you guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, had fun with me while I was doing my makeup. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, what is you doing? Go ahead, subscribe. Go ahead, do it. Oh, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram at naturally.sunny. I post some cute pictures on there from time to time, you know. I'm trying to post more, you know what I'm saying, like more consistently. So I've been recording and editing like crazy. So yeah, let me know if you like consistency, you know, more videos, more products, more stuff. Yeah, I'm just very happy right now, so let me live. Okay. But yeah, I love you guys so freaking much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. To say hi, but I'm just way too shy.